Electric field intensity due to a point charge. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. Suppose we have to calculate electric field intensity at a point P due to charge plus Q placed at point O. Let a charge plus Q naught is placed at point P. Let a test charge plus Q naught is placed at P, where OP is equal to R naught. Here OP is equal to R naught. According to Coulomb's law, force on charge Q naught due to charge capital Q is, according to Coulomb's law, force on charge plus Q naught due to plus Q is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon R naught square, R naught unit vector. R naught unit vector is a unit vector which is directed from Q to Q naught. As we know that electric field intensity is force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point, that is, as E is equal to F upon Q naught, therefore E is equal to F upon Q naught. F की वैल्यू ये दे रखी है, इसको Q naught से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q R naught square R naught unit vector. Therefore this is electric field intensity at a point P due to charge plus Q placed at O. In general, electric field due to a single point charge, this is directed radially outward. यहाँ से भी आउटवर्ड होगी, अगर इधर होता तो ऐसे आउटवर्ड हो जाता. Now let us find electric field intensity by another method. Let us suppose that we have to find electric field intensity due to a charge plus Q placed at point A, whose position vector is Ri vector. Due to this charge plus Q, we have to calculate electric field intensity at a point P, whose position vector is R naught vector. Now join AP. Let the distance between A and P is Ri0, and AP is represented by Ri0 vector. Suppose a charge plus Q is placed at point A, whose position vector is Ri vector, and we have to calculate electric field intensity at point P due to this charge plus Q. Let position vector of P is R naught, and let AP vector is equal to Ri0 vector, which is pointing from A to P. Let a test charge plus Q naught is placed at P. Therefore, according to Coulomb's law, force on Q naught due to Q is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon Ri0 square, Ri0 unit vector. Ri0 unit vector, this is a unit vector directed from A to P. अब इसको Ri0 से गुणा कर देंगे, Ri0 से भाग कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught Ri0 cube Ri0 vector. अब हमारे को पता है according to triangle law, Ri R0 and this is Ri0. This is O, this is A, this is P. According to triangle laws, if two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then their resultant is represented by third side of the triangle taken in opposite order. Therefore ri0 vector is equal to r0 vector minus ri vector. ri को उधर ले जाएं तो r0 में से घट जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 1/4π/0 क्यू नॉट. This is r0 vector minus ri vector modulus का whole cube, and this is r0 vector minus ri vector. As electric field intensity is f upon क्यू नॉट, तो इस सारे को f को क्यू नॉट से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1/4π/0 क्यू r0 vector minus ri vector modulus whole cube r0 vector minus ri vector. The direction of electric field intensity is along AP produced, because positive charge repel another positive charge. Direction of E is along AP produced.